Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to download the CapCut templates. Using templates can help speed up your video editing process and make your content stand out. So, let's get started on how to download the CapCut templates. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Go to the templates section. Look for the template that you want to download and tap on it to open it. Now, tap on the three dots icon from the right side of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on the Save Video option to download the template. And this is how you can download the CapCut template. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.